I'm Michael Chua, and you're watching the Chua Channel, bringing you the best in food, travel, entertainment, and whatever else strikes my fancy. Today, you're in for a gorgeous treat as we take a look at the John G. Shedd Aquarium at 1200 South Lakeshore Drive in Chicago, Illinois. Better known simply as the Shedd Aquarium, this indoor public aquarium opened in 1930 and today holds around 32,000 animals. With its 5 million gallons of water, the Shedd Aquarium held the distinction as one of the largest indoor aquatic facilities in the world. It is comprised of 4 levels and covers 453,000 square feet of space. To visit this amazing place, adult tickets are $39.95 and children 3 to 11 are $29.95. That is, unless you are a Chicago resident, where tickets are $19.95 and $14.95 respectively. Included in that cost, you can visit the Abbott Oceanarium to experience regularly scheduled animal spotlights with such animals as beluga whales and dolphins. For an added fee, there is a 4D theater experience, which is super fun with theaters equipped with things to tickle the senses. And there's a virtual reality pod where you can get close up and personal with some humpback whales. Since it's in Chicago's museum campus, it's quite easy to make it a museum day by visiting both the Shedd and Field museums. My suggestion though would be to visit the Field Museum first, as it's always nice to end with some vibrant live animals. So let's take a look at some of these amazing animals.
I like this Caribbean reef.
Oh, he's so cute. Ooh, that's a shark. Hi.
And his cloaca.
Oh, does he not have a back? Look at those buck-toothed cichlids. Usually they're this big. I've had
Piranhas.
Piranhas.
Are these piranhas or are they? Oh, cool.
Buck-toothed piranhas. Oh! He opened his mouth so wide.
They look a lot like their cousin. The what are they called? Pacus. Yeah, the pacus. I used to have.
Are you hiding?
He looks like a snake.
I need a bigger tank for my turtle.
Hello.
Look how many bubbles they have.
I don't see him.
There's one of the
Is that the thing that jumped out of your tank?
What do you think about that? Yeah.
It looks old as fuck.
That's a bicker or whatever it's called. They're like freshwater angelfish.
Angelfish are freshwater.
Huh?
Look at the hump-head glass feet. He's so cute. What's this little guy? Look at him.
Are they schooling or attacking that one?
You were attacking one.
That's the oldest fish in the Shedd Aquarium.
He's still down here. I think it's because he's sick. See,
Oh my god, the poor fishy. They're all chasing him.
But I feel like they're all just biting each other in general. Yeah, he's not acting right, so they're all like attacking.
And look at his tail, it's all chewed up.
Did you see the big turtle down here?
do they just go to PetSmart?
Oh. I love this planted tank. It looks so cool.
I'm impressed with all their things. Look at that big one. He's the smartest.
Look at him yawn.
You got him yawning.
There's so many tiny ones.
That's fun.
Ooh, are these tiger Oscars? Yeah.
Where? Hey, look at this guy. Love the marbling.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
So.
Yeah. He's ready for his close-up. It's planted. Ooh, otter trail. I know, but it looks really cool.
We're going into the northwest.
It's like a slice of home. Yeah. It's like food time. Hello.
Together we are going to explore some of the beluga whales.
They look this one's because the water kind of goes underneath.
Yeah.
More anemones. Anemones. Gosh, I can't say it.
Wow! Look what just happened! Look what just happened!
They like wavy water.
What do you think they have, like, little clips on their wings? Maybe to try to keep them apart. Penguins, I found them.
Yeah, the tank's big because it goes all the way over there.
Yeah.
Need my ticket stub?
I don't know, I think they might.
Ask them. If they do, we can go. The penguins are over here. What they say? Oh, you're asking them.
Yeah, these are tidal pools. Look, there's like a crab. Sea anemones. Oh, an urchin.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, this is not the
This is them touching. That is so beautiful. see the black little dots in real life? That's so cool. Look at him.
What black little dot?
Look at his eyeball. Just keep watching his eyeball.
They all go.
There's like 3, then there's like 1.
Oh wow.
See, look at. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's a mermaid. Oh, they give them little little homes, huh? The one went in backwards.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Tails that have a sexy shrimp. You see this
Put a little
one?
wiggle in the rock. Let's look at the sexy shrimp.
Ooh. Ooh la la. This guy, he was going along this, and he's like this. Like really, really fast. He's pretty big. There's one right here too.
Nope, nope.
This concludes our peek at the Shedd Aquarium. If you like what you saw and would like to join me on more adventures, please like and subscribe. Keep on adventuring, and bye.